In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date and time in Google Forms. Step by step, adding date and time fields to your forms can really streamline data collection for events, appointments, or any scenario where timing matters. Let's dive right in and see how to make it happen. First, head over to Google Forms. You can easily do this by navigating to the Google Forms website, where you'll see an option to start a new form. Click on the blank form button to begin. This gives you a fresh canvas to design your form exactly how you need it. To create context for today's tutorial, let's imagine we're setting up a job application form. Go ahead and type in your desired form title. For this example, we'll call it Job Application. This provides a clear, organized structure right from the start, making it easier for respondents to know exactly what they're filling out. Next, we want to add a field to collect dates. Look for the drop-down menu, which currently says Multiple Choice. Click on it to reveal more options, then select Date. This change will allow you to create a question where respondents can input a specific date. Let's type in your desired label. I'll use Date of Birth for this example. Adding instruction or context in the question field makes it straightforward for the respondents to understand exactly what's required of them. Once you've set the date, there's an important feature you might want to activate, including time. Clicking on the Include Time checkbox beneath the date field allows your form to capture not just the date but also the specific time, which is particularly useful for scheduling purposes. To enrich our form with additional questions, click on the plus icon located in the right panel. This lets you add another question to your form. By repeating the steps, you can click on the new drop-down and select time. Let's prompt the user by typing "What's the best time to call you?" This is an ideal way to collect respondents' preferred contact times. Before finishing, toggle the required button on for essential questions. This ensures that respondents must provide information for these fields before submitting the form. It's an easy way to prevent partial submissions that can skew your data collection. Finally, if you want to review how your form looks and operates, click on the eye icon for a preview. This step is crucial because it lets you see exactly what respondents will experience when they access your form. From here, you can interact with the form just like a respondent, choosing the desired date and time. Simply type them in to confirm the functionality works as expected. That's it. You've successfully added a date and time field to your Google form. This feature can significantly enhance how you gather and utilize information, bringing clarity and organization to your data collection processes. Thank you for watching and happy form building!